Today I'd like to bring us to different ways to explore how to earn income, and these are the alternative methods: stock photos. Our phones are filled with photos and videos. These can also be income generating assets. So you can upload the photos and videos to stock sites like Shutterstock, iStock, Getty Images, 123RF. In addition to selling your photos on stock sites, you can also create an ebook and photo book with the photos, living room decor ideas, bedroom ideas, and more. You can also pen your experiences in an ebook and sell them on Amazon KDP and as an ebook on Shopee. I'll put a link in the description below to my ebook. So these are some of the work from home ideas and ways to generate income. These work from home ideas and income streams can also apply to you, and they may now be your alternative income stream, but one day they can become the main income stream and in addition to what you are currently doing now. So if you like today's content and want more of this kind of content, I'll appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to this channel, and this will greatly help out with this channel and this video.